Hello, welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video, I will be focusing on reliability issues and common problems with the Jaguar F-Pace 2-litre diesel and petrol engines. The F-Pace is a very good looking and elegant car. This Jaguar has been on the market for around 7 years now, and I have personally traded a few of these cars in the past. I have come across a few problems and reliability issues, and I would love to share them on this platform so that you are well aware of potential issues before purchasing a Jaguar F-Pace. Let's dive straight in. The main concern with these Jaguars are timing chain issues. The new 2-litre engines that replaced the old 2.2 Ford engine have a major issue relating to loose timing chain, which could cause catastrophic engine damages. Timing chain on these engines usually start giving you problems between 7,000 to 100,000 miles due to poor maintenance schedules and low quality oils used in engine services. Repairing a timing chain means engine out job in most cases, and that adds to labor costs. It is important to diagnose timing chain problems early and repair them immediately before snapping and causing engine damage. The next problem that I frequently faced with this car was to do with the gear selectors. The gear selector in this Jaguar is a fancy looking round knob that rises up when the car is switched on. Now the problem with that is, over time with increased use, the mechanism that lifts the gear knob starts to malfunction, and in some cases completely stop working, which will leave you stranded and may need recovering the vehicle to a garage. Fortunately, fixing this issue is not expensive. However, depending where it breaks and the distance to a repair shop could add additional recovery costs. Another common issue is the turbos. Generally, the turbos are very good on this Jaguars if the car is maintained and regularly serviced with quality and recommended oil changes. Unfortunately, most owners use and abuse these cars with little care for engine services, and often opt for cheap versions of oil that will shorten the lifespan of the turbos. Jaguars with around 100,000 miles on the clock must be thoroughly checked for turbo conditions, so that you are not faced with expensive bills soon after purchase. Now these were main issues I faced with these Jaguars. Every car will need proper maintenance and some care during your ownership, and cars will eventually break, which does not mean they are not reliable or trash. To prevent yourself from facing major repair bills, perform proper test drives and check for every mechanic part of the vehicle before committing to own these cars. They are amazing cars to drive and own, but are also a nightmare if break down with the issues I mentioned before. If you have faced other issues that I have not mentioned in this video, please share your experience in the comments below. I hope I have helped by making this video on the Jaguar F-Pace. And if I did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for further automotive videos in the future. I will see you soon. Goodbye.